The long-tailed broadbill is a medium-sized bird living in forests, measuring about 25 centimeters in length. Its feathers are brightly colored, with a deep green overall appearance. The blue long tail feathers and wide, flat bill are its most prominent features. Its neck, throat, and face are bright yellow, giving it the overall appearance of a vibrant and cute bird-like spirit. They prefer to live in groups in the middle layers of the forest, are not good at calling, and do not like to jump. Their diet mainly consists of small insects and fruits. They are primarily found in Southeast Asia and the southern regions of China. During the breeding season, long-tailed broadbills typically build their nests in shrubs and small trees by tropical rainforest streams. Both the male and female collect materials for nest building. The nests are woven from mountain grass, plant roots, and vines, shaped like a pear, and situated on branches. They usually lay 4 to 5 eggs per nest, with both parents feeding the young. In 2021, the species was listed in China's National Key Protected Wildlife List Class 2.